Hello guys, welcome back to Good Shower Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to stop pop-up ads in Chrome and how to fix the issue up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is you just have to open your Chrome and you have to click over here on the three dot menu at the top right and go to settings. Now from here you have to scroll down and click on privacy and security, and from here you have to go to site setting. You have to click on site setting, and now from here you have to scroll down a little bit. Now as you can see that there are some permissions which ask for location, camera, microphone, notifications and many more things. And also if you go a little bit down, as you can see that on the content option there is a sub option called pop-up and redirects, which you have to select this. Now from here you can block some of the sites which is having so much amount of ads which makes you feel irritated. In the same way you can also allow the sites which you wanted to see in the meantime. So here when you click on the ad icon, it will ask you for to give the respective URL of the particular site, which will be giving you completely blocking this up to getting the ad and completely saving your ass completely from getting so much amount of pop-up ads. So you can give the respective and go for ad and it will be over here. And also you can allow some of the ads which there is no issue for you guys, and even if you wish to love, and you can allow here. So there where you also have to go for ad icon at the top and it will be making to do this up. So this is what you have to do when you're having how to fix the issue up. And once after that you can also click on this enable this, which means you are allowing this, and also when you turn this off it is blocked, so only the respective one will be getting the options to then go over here. So this is what you have to do when you have the issue on pop-up ads on your Google Chrome and how to fix this up. We hope this video is helpful for you guys, and if you have any doubts regarding this, do ask in the comment sections. We will get back to you. And this is Shahin officially signing off from Get Your Tips. Keep practice social distance, be safe and stay safe.